aren't even in what we call the cone, or the forecast cone, and it certainly looks like it's going to impact Tampa. Let's talk about it. Here are the tropical storm watches, which by tonight or even tomorrow morning could become tropical storm warnings. We fully anticipate that. I'll tell you why those watches are on the east side in just a minute, but here's the storm. As you mentioned, David, this thing, it kind of grew into its shoes today, so to speak, and it's going to continue to travel up off into the northwest as we go through the next 24 to 48 hours before emerging on the north side of Cuba. So it is going to be kept at tropical storm strength, we think. The land is going to inhibit that. But once it emerges north of Cuba, probably passing over Havana, eventually Key West, somewhere west of Tampa, no question there'll be impacts in through here and up toward the Gulf Coast as we head toward Tuesday evening. But what's interesting about this storm is even outside the cone, because it is so large, we are going to have lots of wind coming into Biscayne Bay. And that means a pretty good chance of flooding those areas that normally flood. So again, watches are out. We expect them to go to warnings. Tampa impacts probably on Tuesday morning as those winds, David, go from offshore to onshore and potentially push all that water up into the bay.
Nobody knows severe weather better than you. We'll be following your forecast in the hours and the days ahead. Jim, thank you. And as Jim said,